The Ramsbottom Jigsaw Festival. 3rd to the 6th of September. St. Paul's Church, Ramsbottom. Hundreds of visitors every year. But to make it work, we need lots of volunteers. Think you might like to help us? If so, we'd be glad to welcome you on board. Over 4 days, there are lots of jobs to cover. Just like with our puzzles. We've something for almost everyone. Prefer to sit down? You could work on our admissions desk, welcoming visitors and selling programs. Or you could sell our raffle tickets. Like to be a bit more active? Our stewards help our customers with the puzzles on display, taking the puzzles to our sales desk and replacing them with new puzzles each time. That will get your steps in. Do you like to keep busy? Breaking up puzzles on our sales desk may be the job for you. Or maybe helping in our popular cafe appeals to you. Perhaps you can lend us your baking skills and donate a tasty cake. It needn't be a big commitment. Just 1 or 2 hours. Though, of course, you can sign up for more if you like. Shifts are 10 till 12, 12 till 2, 2 till 4, 4 until 5. There's also 6:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. on Thursday. Want to know a bit more? For more information, and with absolutely no obligation, contact ramajigsaw@aol.com. We'd love to hear from you.